What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I want to talk about some of the best VPNs that you can get for your Mac. Now, I'm on Windows, that is true, but it's basically going to look exactly the same for you on your Mac. And these VPNs are not only compatible with Windows and Mac, but also any other VPN compatible device, which is most modern devices, including, streaming sticks, smart TVs, and mobile phones and tablets and whatnot. So as far as compatibility, there's no issue here. And these VPNs work really well, whatever it is that you're doing, whether you're looking for a VPN to stream specific content that you don't have access to, or get access to foreign markets. If you want to secure your device on public Wi-Fi, let's say you use your laptop in a coffee shop, a Starbucks, a library, it's always better to use a VPN, especially one on public Wi-Fi, or maybe you just want to protect your IP address and your information, because if you didn't know while you're torrenting, everybody else that's downloading the same torrent will be able to see your IP address, and that's not very good news. So you want to protect yourself while torrenting, and all kinds of other special features and bonus features that you get with these VPNs. Let me just talk about these VPNs actually, so that you know exactly which one to use for your Mac. And keep in mind, there will be links in the description down below if you'd like to go straight to the discounts or full reviews. They'll be linked in the description down below. Now let's talk about these to help you make a more informed decision as to which one could be the best choice for you and your Mac. And so I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best 3 VPNs overall. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, yet they all have a kill switch, they're excellent for torrenting, and they all consistently work with streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. And that's why these are my favorite 3. But depending on your situation and preferences, one of them may be a better choice for you, and I'll explain why. Starting with ExpressVPN. And this is going to be the best one if you're looking for the best overall, fastest, and easiest to use VPN. And it has the most verified no-locks policy, which was demonstrated through a real-life stress test proving that they don't collect or track any user data. It has over 3,000 servers in 105 countries, which is a big number of countries, allowing you to easily access content from all over the globe. Plus, you can secure up to 8 simultaneous connections per account, and it's compatible with most devices. And so ultimately, whenever people ask us what the best, most reliable VPN is and don't mind spending a few extra dollars to ensure the highest levels of reliability, ExpressVPN is my go-to choice for those looking for a premium VPN. Next up is NordVPN, and NordVPN is what I consider the best value VPN. It has over 5,800 servers in 60 countries, and while more servers does not necessarily mean better service, this can help with speed and latency, especially if you use a VPN for gaming. Or if you want extra features such as threat protection, which blocks ads, malware-ridden websites, as well as protect your device from harmful files, which is a neat little feature. And so Nord kind of gives you more options to fiddle with, and that's where the value for the money comes from, especially that it's about as fast as ExpressVPN in terms of performance and will let you secure up to 6 devices per subscription. So all in all, if you're someone looking to have a few more options in your VPN, then NordVPN would be the one to get. And then finally, Surfshark is my best pick for the best budget VPN. And while it has all the essentials like Express and Nord, it's not quite as fast as those two. Although with Surfshark, you're allowed to virtually secure an unlimited number of devices with just one account. So it's a great option if you don't want any simultaneous connection limits. You also get over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which is a lot. Also, you still get bonus features such as an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful if you're trying to use your VPN in a restrictive country. So ultimately, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money but still have all the core features of a premium VPN, or if you need a VPN that allows you to secure all of your devices, or if you have a larger family, then Surfshark is the ideal choice. And to help you figure out which plan you should go for, generally you want to go for the long-term plans with VPNs, and I'll explain why. So for example, ExpressVPN gives you 3 plans to choose from. There's a month at a time plan for $12.95 per month, a 6-month plan for $10 per month, or a 12-month plan for $8.32 per month. However, if you use the link in the description down below, you can get 3 months free, and so the 12-month plan drops down to $6.67 per month. Now, out of curiosity, I spoke with Express, And they mentioned that a lot of people end up spending more on monthly renewals than they would have with the yearly plan, because the typical pattern is that people renew monthly, thinking they may not really need this long term. So unfortunately, they end up spending more money than they would have if they had gone with the year plan, especially with the discount code I linked below. So ultimately, if you know you're not going to need Express for longer than a month, definitely get the month plan. But if there's a chance you might end up using it longer than a month, you may want to go with the year plan. And then if you change your mind or realize you won't need it that long, you have 30 days to get a refund and go back to just a month at a time. And so to sum it up, these VPNs are definitely the best in the business. ExpressVPN is a premium VPN with a strong emphasis on security and utmost anonymity, and it's perfect for those that are privacy conscious and are looking for the best VPN overall. Now, NordVPN is a well-rounded high-performance VPN that offers a lot of value for the money and is ideal for those looking for bonus features that can be useful in a variety of ways besides base VPN functions such as strong encryption, secure torrenting, and working with streaming services. And Surfshark is truly the best budget VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any of the necessary security features that you usually get with more expensive VPNs. And as an added bonus, you get to share it around with as many of your friends and family as you would like, which is a great plus. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn a little bit more about them. And they are all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you're not satisfied, so you can always just get the refund if you change your mind. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.